my name is Subhan Malik and I'm here from StyleCloud. So the tutorial that we would be looking at today is related to the ENI, which stands for Elastic Network Interface. Today we would be looking at how we can associate an ENI with an instance. So I'm just going to go ahead and make two instances. I'm going to name them EC2. I'm going to keep all the settings to default and I'm going to proceed without a key pair. And I'm just going to select the number of instances to be 2. I'm just going to launch them. And as soon as they're launched, I'm going to go back to the dashboard. Or even I could look from the right tab and I could go into network interfaces. And now I'm going to see two network interfaces that are automatically generated basically because of our instances. All right. So, and I can create another ENI and then I can associate that with my instance as well. So in order to do that, I'm just going to click on the top right, create network interface, and I'm just going to name it ENI1. And I could select a subnet. I'll go with subnet 1A. I could also assign it a custom private IPv4 address, but right now I'm just going to keep it auto assign. And I can select a security group as well. So I'm just going to go with the default launch wizard 1. And I'm going to hit create network interface. And as soon as I hit create, I could see that I made a new network interface. This one, because I chose the launch wizard 1. And I'm just going to go ahead and name it demo ENI. Alright. In order to associate this with my instance, I could actually press on it. And then I could go into actions and then associate address, and then I can choose it with an elastic IP address, or I could give it a private IP address, or I can also do a thing and I can associate this with my EC2 instance. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on it, and then I can see its settings. It says status available, subnet ID, VPC ID, name, and so basically in the instance ID, it's showing me nothing right now because it's not associated with any instance. All right, actions and attach, and then I could select my respective instance that I want to attach this with. So I'm gonna go with this one, and then I'm gonna attach this. It's gonna take a couple seconds, and then it's gonna show into our instance network settings. I'm gonna go into my instance. I'm gonna select this one, and then I can go in my networking, and you can see that right now there's no interface that's showing here, but as soon as I hit refresh a couple times, I'm gonna have to wait a little bit. And as you can see now, it's going to show us that ENI, that these two network interfaces, the default one and the one we created, are both associated with the same EC2 instance. So you can only attach one ENI to one instance, and we could also do that if we detach this network interface, we could attach it to the other instance ID. So I hope the basic ENI tutorial was helpful to you guys. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you guys in the next video.